Today we'll talk about how can you add product to your cart on your Decathlon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here. You come to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. And here can you select any of this you want to add to your cart. I'm going to just click on this sign and I'm going to select your product. This product here is going to show for you like this. So then you just go down here, you keep going down, you click here on add to basket here, then it's going to show for you like this. That's mean it's add to your basket here. So then here can you find it to your basket, you just go to your basket here, click on it. So then here can you find it in this list like you see now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.